Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can use micro micro slot memory card to your laptop. So usually see here, this is compatible for the mobile, right? You can just insert this and you can make use of this. See here, this is very small, but how you can use this for this computer or the laptop? For that you need this card reader, you can say, but this will also comes with the package of this memory card only. First of all, I purchased this redcop micro SD card for 700 rupees, and I did the unboxing. You can find that video in the description. Anyway, I'll be adding the link also, you can check in the description. So now I'll tell you how you can use this and insert this, and I will also show you the data by accessing this. Okay, just make sure this adapter goes here. There is a small gap here, see, for this to get inserted here like this. Okay, insert it properly like this. Done. Okay, now on the right side of the laptop you'll have this slot. See here, yeah, as soon as you insert this, see, the insertion should be like this only. Okay, as soon as you insert this, there will be a small beep sound, and you can open my computer, this PC, and see here SDXE with the letter E drive. There is this SD card is open. Double tap on this and here you can access those videos. Actually these videos, this I'm using for DJI Osmo Pocket 3, this SD card which can record 4K videos also. I close this. This is from the SD card. Okay, this is how you can use. Here you can read or write or anything, even delete with this adapter. So adapter is must. So with the live action, I'll just eject this. You need to right click and eject, but okay, I'll click on eject. Okay, you can just remove this, and once you need it for another purpose, just you can just open with this, and you can later use it for your mobile purpose also. And this I purchased for 700 rupees. Now it is slightly, the price is increased, maybe around 1000 or something like that. Recently I checked the price, but for the 1 year this memory card is doing decently good. See here, my D drive is full, so I want to keep some data in this. For that this reader, or what you can say, redcop micro SD adapter is must in order to use it for the laptop. I just wanted to record this video so that it may be useful for other people. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.